how to make a collage on Instagram story without layout. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, swipe towards the right on your screen and you will be led to the story interface. Here, swipe up on your screen and you will see the collage option there. Tap on the collage option and you will now be able to select images for your collage. So go ahead and select the images that you want to share as collage and you can choose up to 20 pictures. So once you have your desired pictures, tap on the share icon on the bottom right of your screen and with this your collage will be all set. You can also go ahead and choose if you want the collage to be sequential or you want it as cutouts. Further, tap on Done and then go ahead and make any necessary changes, such as adding music, stickers, text, location, etc. And then tap on the Your Stories option, and with this, your collage will be all set to be posted. So, this is how you can make a collage on Instagram story without layout. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.